Let's learn how to create a wave warp glitch transition in Premiere Pro. First, place your two clips side by side on the timeline. Then go to your project panel, right-click, and choose New Item Adjustment Layer. Click OK to accept the default settings. Next, right-click the adjustment layer in your project panel, select Speed/Duration, and set the duration to 4 frames. Drag this adjustment layer onto the timeline above your two clips, and center it at the cut between them. Now go to the Effects panel, search for Wave Warp and Echo, and drag both onto the adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, under Wave Warp, change the wave type to Noise, and set both wave height and wave width to 200. Scroll down to Echo, and set number of echoes to 2 and starting intensity to 0.5. That's it. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.